And now for the next project, we are going to make a pom-pom flower. For this, I have made 3 different sizes and I'll quickly show you how to make them. For the smallest size, you can use a fork to wrap your yarn around. For the medium size, I use 2 fingers. The more you wrap it, the more tight the pom-pom will be. And the biggest size, I use 3 fingers. Now, cut out a small strip of yarn. Now with your left fingers, find a middle point. Hold it firmly and wrap the yarn strip twice. Pull it tight and knot it off. Once, knot it off twice. Do this for all the sizes. Or in this case, you can also use the middle space of the fork to tie the knot. And cut open all the loops. Now don't throw away the leftovers after trimming. You can use it to stuff toys or pillows, so collect them and keep it safe. Then press the pom-pom and let it sit flat and try to cut it in a circular manner. The hairs are still uneven, so flatten it in another direction and trim off the longer yarns. Do this a few more times. The more you wrap around, the tighter will be the pom-pom. But luckily for this project, we don't need it to be too tight. So this is it. And so here's the pom-pom of many colors. And now it's all up to the twigs, glue, and your creativity in arranging them. If you want, you can add some leaves, but personally I like it without the leaves as this version makes it look more classy. Also, it resembles hope in trying times just like now, a flower in dry season. So definitely give it a try.